Hello student, last lecture from your halogen derivatives, you will see the phenomena up to your nomenclature of your monohalogen derivative of hydrocarbon, particularly our aliphatic hydrocarbon. That's our alkyl halides. And today we starting the next and one of the important name of that article is the methods of preparation of alkyl halide, means how will you prepare our organic compound, that's our alkyl halides in the laboratory. According to the our syllabus, that alkyl halide prepared in the laboratory as well as the industrial consideration by major three methods. First one is from alcohol. Second one is the from hydrocarbon, and last one is the by halogen exchange method. That three major methods are used for the preparation of alkyl halide in the laboratory as well as the industrial consideration. Then you see the one by one. First you take the first method from alcohol. First method is the from alcohol. As my knowledge, you know the concept about your alcohol, the organic compound which containing the OH as a functional group and linked to the alkyl radical. That compound is known as the alcohol. Then how will you prepare? Our alkyl halide by using alcohol. As our syllabus, that alkyl halides are prepared by using your alcohol by action of मध्ये दोन मार्ग वापरले जातात. त्यातला जो पहिला मार्ग आहे that's our action of hydrogen halide. Second way is action of our phosphorus halide, and third way is the action of thionyl chloride. Means our third way and our second way studied commonly, therefore I will tell you that's action of our hydrogen halide on alcohol. That's our first way for the preparation of the alkyl halide, and second way is the action of phosphorus halide as well as action of thionyl chloride on our alcohol. Will easily prepare our alkyl halide in the laboratory. Then you choose the first way, that's our action of hydrogen halides. As my knowledge, our hydrogen halides are indicated by the HX, where X is the halide, that's chloride, bromide, iodide, fluoride, etc. Then you see the one by one. Then you see the firstly preparation of our alkyl halide, particularly preparation of the preparation of your alkyl chlorides, next you will see the alkyl bromide, next you will see the alkyl iodide one by one. Simultaneously you know our alkyl halides showing the three types: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. Then we carry the preparation of that our alkyl halides, primary, secondary and tertiary, simultaneously by using the action of your hydrogen halides on your alcohol. Firstly you will prepare your alkyl chlorides. Our general reaction is ROH, name of that compound is the alcohol, which are treated with hydrogen halide, name of that compound is the hydrogen halide. In the presence of suitable catalyst, where directly hydroxyl group from our alcohol are substituted by the halide group or replaced by halide radical, means to form RX, and byproduct is the OH and H, which is the H2O. That's our alkyl halides. And then our target, how will you prepare chlorides, bromides and iodides? Then you take firstly preparation of your alkyl chlorides. It will take the alcohol, means CH3 single bond OH, that's our methyl alcohol, and that's our primary alcohol, are treated with the hydrogen chloride, that's our hydrochloric acid, in presence of anhydrous zinc chlorides. If that HCl and ZnCl2 which are come together, that mixture is called as Lucas reagent. And where replacement reaction, where hydroxyl group are replaced by our halide, that's our chloride, and that hydrogen and hydroxyl group forming the byproduct, that's our H2O. Name of that compound is the methyl chloride, and that's our also primary alkyl halide. That is the consent about your preparation of your primary alkyl chloride, particularly our methyl chloride, by using the action of your hydrogen chloride on our methyl alcohol. Then you will take the next consent. How will you prepare our secondary alkyl halide? अर्थात अल्किल हलाइड हे कोणत्या प्रकारचा बनणार आहे हे 100% कशावरती डिपेंड आहे, तर विच टाइप ऑफ द अल्कोहोल आर यूज्ड इन द रिएक्शन. देन यू टेक CH3 CH3OH. Name of that compound is the isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, and practically that's our secondary alcohol, again which are treated with the HCl. Reaction condition is the same. Reaction condition is the same, means anhydrous zinc chloride. Anhydrous zinc chloride, same reaction to form CH3 CH3Cl plus H2O. That's your isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride means you will prepare our secondary alkyl chloride. And again you taking the last example, that's our for the preparation of tertiary alkyl halide, means CH3 thys linked to the carbon, that's our tertiary carbon, and which are linked to the OH, therefore that compound is known as the tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol, which are treated with again our HCl, but no requirement of the catalyst. No requirement of the catalyst, because our tertiary alcohol are more reactive. Therefore no condition for the reaction. Same reaction where CH3 thys single bond Cl plus H2O, that's our water, and our compound is the tertiary butyl chloride. In this way you will easily prepare our methyl chloride as a primary alkyl halide, isopropyl chloride as a secondary alkyl halide, tertiary butyl chloride as a tertiary alkyl halide by the action of your hydrogen chloride, our hydrochloric acid, on our primary, secondary and the tertiary alcohol. That is the preparation of your alkyl chloride. Then you take the second way, the preparation of our alkyl bromide. आपण इथं थोडासाच याच्यात बदल करणार आहोत. देन यू सी द 1/1 means just a condition of our hydrogen bromide is the changed in the place of the hydrogen chloride. आता जर ही रिएक्शन तुम्हाला कॅरी करायची असेल, तर काय करावं लागेल तुम्हाला, तर यू टेक द हायड्रोजन bromide in the place of your hydrogen chloride, and again our target is preparation of your primary alkyl bromide, secondary alkyl bromide, tertiary alkyl bromide. Then you take the action of again HBr, that's our hydrogen bromide on your primary alcohol. Similarly, hydrogen bromide on our secondary alcohol, and similarly our hydrogen bromide on our tertiary alcohol. Just condition is changed. Just condition is changed. आता तुम्ही हायड्रोजन क्लोराइडला काय घेतलेलं, तर यू विल टेकिंग द ZnCl2 means your anhydrous zinc chloride in presence of HCl. That's our Lucas reagent. त्याच पद्धतीने जर तुम्हाला अल्किल ब्रोमाइड मिळवायचे असतील तर तुम्हाला त्याच्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल, तर सोडियम ब्रोमाइड and which are in presence of the सल्फ्युरिक ऍसिड, इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ द सल्फ्युरिक ऍसिड, अर्थात ते डायल्यूट कंडिशनला असेल, आणि काय करावं लागेल तुम्हाला या रिएक्शन मध्ये हीटची रिक्वायरमेंट असते. मीन्स our primary alcohol, that's our methyl alcohol, are treated with the hydrogen bromide in presence of sodium bromide along with your sulfuric acid, and heat is the required. Reaction is the as like your alkyl chloride, then reaction is followed, means CH3Br plus H2O. Name of that compound is the methyl bromide, and that's our primary alkyl halide, and byproduct is the water. Then come to the point, our second type of the alkyl bromide, means our secondary alkyl bromide. Reaction is the as usual like our HCl, means form CH3Br plus H2O, and again our reaction condition is the NaBr in presence of the H2SO4 as our dilute condition, and the heat is the required to form our isopropyl bromide. That's our secondary alkyl bromide. And then you will come to the last reaction, means how will you prepare your tertiary bromides or tertiary alkyl halides. मग जर तुम्हाला टर्शरी अल्किल हलाइड बनवायचे असतील तर रिएक्शन ही तुमच्या अल्किल क्लोराइड प्रमाणेच होईल, मीन्स हायड्रोजन क्लोराइड प्रमाणे, फक्त HCl च्या जागेवरती काय आलं तर तुमचा HBr आला, and same reaction त्याच कंडिशनला in presence of NaBr and your H2SO4, again your dilute condition and temperature is the required. Same reaction means CH3 thys CBr plus H2O, that's our tertiary butyl bromide. That is the consideration about your preparation of our methyl bromide, that's our primary alkyl bromide. Isopropyl bromide, that's our secondary alkyl bromide, and tertiary butyl bromide, that's our tertiary alkyl halide by the action of corresponding hydrogen halides, means your hydrogen bromides on the alcohol, means primary alcohol, secondary and the tertiary alcohol. In this way you will easily prepare your alkyl bromide in the laboratory as well as your industrial consideration. Then you take the third types or the third consideration, means preparation of our alkyl iodide. Similarly, means how will you prepare alkyl chloride, preparation of your alkyl bromide, that phenomena are prepared, or that preparation of your alkyl iodide, then you see the one by one. If आपण थोडासा इतर रिएक्शन मध्ये बदल करणार आहोत, यू टेक अगेन प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल, secondary alcohol and the tertiary alcohol are treated with the hydrogen iodide, hydrogen iodide, hydrogen iodide. Similarly on your secondary alcohol, similarly on your tertiary alcohol. आता प्रश्नचिन्ह राहतं फक्त सुटेबल रिएक्शनची कंडिशन. या रिएक्शनच्या कंडिशनला सुटेबल काय आहे किंवा काय अपेक्षित आहे रिएक्शन मध्ये, तर पहिली डिमांड आहे इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ आवर सोडियम आयोडाइड, इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ द सोडियम आयोडाइड अँड अलॉंग विथ, जसं की तुम्ही HBr ला तुम्ही सल्फ्युरिक ऍसिड वापरलं, तसं इथं H3PO4 नावाचं ऍसिड वापरलं जातं, त्याला फॉस्फोरिक ऍसिड म्हटलं जातं. आता अचानक H2SO4 ऐवजी फॉस्फोरिक ऍसिड का आलं, तर या रिएक्शन मध्ये हा स्वतः हायड्रोजन आयोडाइड हा रिड्युसिंग एजंटच आहेच, परंतु सल्फ्युरिक ऍसिड हे ऑक्सिडायझिंग एजंट असल्यामुळं त्याच्या ऐवजी फॉस्फोरिक ऍसिडला प्रेफरन्स दिला जातो, त्याच्या ऐवजी फॉस्फोरिक ऍसिडला प्रेफरन्स दिला जातो. मग हे फॉस्फोरिक ऍसिड का वापरायचं, तर लक्षात आलं असेल की या ठिकाणी ऑक्सिडेशन घडू नये, त्याच्या ऐवजी आपण काय करणार, फॉस्फोरिक ऍसिड वापरलं जातं. शिवाय हे फॉस्फोरिक ऍसिड वापरताना त्याचं पर्सेंटेज हे 95% असावं लागतं. रिएक्शनचं कन्सिडरेशन सेम, त्याच्यात काही बदल असणार नाहीये. Then you will come to the point, what is the exact reaction? If your primary alcohol like your methyl alcohol are treated with hydrogen iodide to form the CH3I, name of that compound is the methyl iodide and byproduct is the H2O. That's our again primary alkyl halide. Similarly for our secondary alcohol, again NaI and the H3PO4 95%, and to gives the CH3 single bond CH single bond CH3 OH plus H2O. That's your isopropyl iodide, isopropyl iodide, and the byproduct is the again water, byproduct is the water, and that isopropyl iodide will show you the again secondary nature. Similarly will come to the tertiary alcohol, similarly will come to the tertiary alcohol. मग या टर्शरी अल्कोहोल वरती जर तुम्ही हायड्रोजन आयोडाइडची रिएक्शन केली, तर which gives the CH3 thys CI plus H2O, and name of that compound is the tertiary butyl iodide, means your tertiary alkyl iodide, and byproduct is the water. In this way you will prepare our alkyl halide, means the alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide, alkyl iodide by the action of the hydrogen halide on your alcohol in presence of the suitable catalyst. That is the first way, action of hydrogen halide on the alcohol. आणि मग हा प्रकार संपल्यानंतर आपल्याला सिमिलरली याच अल्कोहोल वरती तुम्हाला दुसरा मार्ग वापरायचा आहे. दॅट्स आवर ऍक्शन ऑफ आवर फॉस्फरस हालाइड्स. यू विल अगेन प्रिपेअर आवर alkyl halide by using alcohol by the second way, means by action of phosphorus halides, and that phosphorus halides which are of two types. First one is the phosphorus trihalide, phosphorus trihalide, means PX3. Firstly, you see the phenomena about your concept related to the phosphorus trihalide, means if our phosphorus which are treated with the halogen to form phosphorus trihalide, and you will put the value of your X, means to form the PCl3, PBr3, Pi3. That's how three types of the phosphorus trihalides, means phosphorus trichloride, tribromide, and the triiodide. Out of them, that's your phosphorus trichloride is the stable, and remaining two are the unstable. Therefore, in the reaction, will utilization of our only phosphorus trichlorides, they will take the general form, means ROH, that's our alcohol, are treated with the PX3, that's our direct reaction for balancing that alcohol requirement of the Thais molecule to form Thais RX, and remaining part means our byproducts H, which are 3, P, which is the single, and remaining one is the oxygen, means our again 3 times means the H3PO3. रिएक्शनचं बॅलन्सिंग बघा, थाइस alkyl radical and thais halogen, and remaining one is the hydrogen 3, means your H3, and your oxygen is again 3, means O3 and single oxygen. That's your hydrophosphoric acid. Name of that compound is the hydrophosphoric acid, and that's our alkyl halide. Then you see the exact example. If you take CH3OH, again Thais molecule, name of that compound is the methyl alcohol, which is your primary react with the phosphorus trichloride to form Thais CH3Cl plus H3PO3, that's our methyl chloride, again that's our primary alkyl halide. Next we will take the Thais CH3 CH3 and OH. Name of that compound is the isopropyl alcohol as our secondary nature, which are treated with the PCl3. Reason to take the PCl3 because of the stability. Why you do not take the PbR3 or the Pi3? Because both are the unstable. Means to form thrice CH3 CH Cl CH3 plus H3 PO3, and name of that compound is the isopropyl chloride. That's our secondary alkyl halide. Then last you will take the thrice CH3 thrice COH plus PCl3, that's our tertiary butyl alcohol, and which are react with the PCl3 gives thrice CH3 thrice Cl plus H3 PO3, that's our tertiary butyl chloride. At a time you prepare the primary, secondary and the tertiary alkyl halide, and where for the condition of the reaction to write the P oblique X2, means where P oblique Cl2, where phosphorus and chloride like that react together to form your PCl3 and the PCl3 to form the our corresponding alkyl chlorides by the action of the phosphorus trihalide. Then you will take the second type of the phosphorus halide, which are our phosphorus pentahalide, means pentahalide, that's our PX5, and we'll put the value of that's phosphorus react with the 5 molecule of the halogen to form twice PX5, that's our phosphorus pentahalide, and example is the PCl5, PBr5 and PI5. Out of them, that's our stable, and remaining two are not exist. Therefore, for the preparation of your alkyl halide by the action of your phosphorus pentahalide, you are taking just the phosphorus pentachlorides, means our alcohol will react with the phosphorus pentahalide to gives, means R single bond X, that's our alkyl halide. One halogen is the utilized, then another is react with the hydrogen to form the hydrogen halide, and remaining three which are react with the POX3, त्याला म्हटलं जातं phosphorus oxychloride. काय म्हटलं जातं त्याला? phosphorus oxychloride. Then we'll take the example of the PCl5 for our primary, secondary and the tertiary alcohol, but not required condition is the thrice for your phosphorus pentachloride. Then you see the direct reaction CH3Cl plus HCl plus POCl3, that's our methyl chloride That's your hydrogen chloride, phosphorus oxychloride. Similarly, for your secondary alcohol, CH3, CH, CH3, Cl plus HCl plus POCl3. That's your isopropyl chloride. And last one, that's our secondary halide. And last you will see the CH3 thys CCl plus HCl plus POCl3. That is the same consideration. And our product is the tertiary butyl halide. In this way, you will prepare our alkyl chloride by action of the phosphorus pentahalides on the corresponding primary, secondary and the tertiary alcohol. That's our second way. And then you see the third way by using alcohol. By using alcohol means the action of thionyl chloride on the alcohol. Next one is the action of thionyl chloride. Action of thionyl chloride. That's our SOCl2. That's our SOCl2. Then you see the what is the exact phenomena action of the SOCl2. फक्त एक गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवायचं की मी थायोनिल क्लोराइड म्हणतोय, तसं थायोनिल ब्रोमाइड किंवा थायोनिल आयोडाइड हा कन्सेंट असू शकत नाही. डायरेक्टली रिएक्शन ऑफ द SOCl2 on our alcohol. Then you take the general reaction ROH. That's our alcohol which are treated with the SOCl2 to form RCl. That's our finally alkyl chloride. Alkyl chloride plus 1Cl help to the H to form the HCl, and that 1 and 2 oxygen and 1 sulfur gives the byproduct SO2, that both are in the gaseous state and to form the easily our alkyl chloride. You taking the example means CH3OH, that's our methyl alcohol are treated with the directly our SOCl2, which gives the CH3Cl plus HCl plus SO2 to form our methyl chloride. In this way, you will easily prepare our alkyl halides by the action of the thionyl chloride on our corresponding alcohol. That is clear cut end of preparation of our alkyl halide from alcohol by the various way action of thionyl chloride. Second one is the action of phosphorus halide, and next one is the action of the hydrogen halide. Similarly, you will taking the second method, that's our from hydrocarbon but that second method, all that consent are studied in your 11th chemistry. Means you know halogenation of alkane, Markovnikov rule means your halogenation of alkene, anti-Markovnikov rule means halogenation of again alkene in presence of the peroxide. All that things already studied in the 11 chemistry. Today I will do not discuss that method, means from your hydrocarbon. We will going directly to our third method, that's our bihalogen exchange method. That's our third method, means bihalogen exchange method. In that method you will see, नेहमी मी सांगतो तुम्हाला की तिच्या नावामध्ये त्या कन्सेप्टचा अर्थ लपलेला असतो. हॅलोजन एक्सचेंज म्हणजे काय, तर हॅलोजनचीच आदला बदल. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ असा होईल की तुम्हाला अल्किल हलाइड मिळवायचा असेल तर अल्किल हलाइडच बेसिकली वापरायला लागणार आहे. फक्त जो हलाइड्स मिळवायचा आहे त्याच्या विरुद्ध तुम्हाला दुसरा अल्किल हलाइड वापरावा लागेल. ती मेथड कशी कॅरी केली जाते, तर त्याच्यामध्ये दोन मार्ग आहेत. एक त्यातला पहिला मार्ग आहे, दॅट्स अवर Finkelstein reaction. First one is the Finkelstein reaction. The reaction काय आहे, if our alkyl chloride, name of that compound is the alkyl chloride, or our alkyl bromide are treated with the sodium iodide, and that reaction follow in presence of your dry acetone followed in presence of our dry acetone, where just exchange of the halogen takes place, means our RCl are converted into RI and byproduct is NaCl. Similarly, Ri plus NaBr, where both are your alkyl iodide. Similarly, that's our alkyl iodide to form the iodides, and where byproduct is the sodium chloride and sodium bromide, which are just precipitated in your dry acetone, and you will easily pure form your alkyl iodide as well as the alkyl iodide by using the alkyl chloride and the alkyl bromide. Then we take the example. First example is the CH3Cl, that's our methyl chloride plus sodium iodide, again that's our dry acetone, which gives the CH3I plus NaCl, that's our methyl iodide. Similarly, CH3CH2Br, that's our ethyl bromide, which are treated with again our sodium iodide in presence of the dry acetone to form CH3CH2I plus NaBr as the byproduct to form your ethyl iodide. That's a clear-cut phenomena about your Finkelstein reaction. Similarly, you will taking the next way of the halogen exchange method. Halogen exchange method. That method is the known as the Swart reaction. Known as the Swart reaction. मग स्वॉट रिएक्शन म्हणजे काय? इफ युअर alkyl chlorides are treated with the our metal halides metal fluorides means AgF, silver fluoride, just a halogen exchange takes place to form RF plus AgCl, and that's our alkyl fluoride. Means that method is favored to prepare our alkyl fluorides, not chloride, not bromides. Then you take the example, means your CH3Cl plus AgF, means that's our methyl chloride are treated with the our silver fluoride, just a heating condition, and to form CH3F, where reaction condition is use CH3F plus our AgCl, and name of the product is the methyl fluoride. That's our Swart reaction, specifically used for the preparation of the fluorides. In this way, you will easily prepare our alkyl halides in the laboratory by using from alcohol, from hydrocarbon, and by our halogen exchange method. Thanks.